you doing? One Luck Irish guy here. Today I want to show you an extremely simple drink called a Basil Heaven. Uses blue cherry bay coconut rum, 3 basil leaves, a little ginger beer, and half a lime. Let's begin. Take 3 leaves off your basil plant, throw those in your shaker. Now I like to muddle with agave, so I'm going to put a little agave in there. Give that a quick muddle. Now to muddle, you're just kind of pressing down and turning. You want to extract the oil out of the leaves. Okay. Take your half a lime. Throw that in your squeezer. Now a quick tip on your limes. If you run them under hot water and roll them back and forth, they'll get more juice out of them. Okay, throw 2 ounces of your blue cherry bay coconut rum. Throw some ice in your shaker, about 3/4 of the way up. Give that a quick shake. Pre-chill your glass, throw a little ice in there, give it a pre-chill. Grab your Hawthorne strainer. Top that off with ginger beer. Grab yourself 1 more leaf for a garnish. And kind of poke it through the straw. Because at the end of the day, it is all about the cocktail. Hey, Ray again. So I really hope you enjoyed my video. What I wish you to do at this point is I wish you to subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe. And it is also very important that you comment. Throw a comment in there. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me what you think you need to improve on. Tell me how I can make this better. So I hope you check out another one of my videos. Check out my story if you wonder why I talk funny or why I do all the drinks with my left hand. Do me a favor, watch another one of my videos. Watch my story especially. Thank you, and I'll catch you later. Sláinte.